If you've watched Nickelodeon's Doug, you know who this band is.
Killer Tofu!
It's the Beets, and let me tell you, they had hits. But they aren't real. So I'm making their debut album in real life. Now look, I've done something like this before, but this needs to feel legit. So yeah, let's hop into it. First thing we need is an actual vinyl sleeve, a real one. And so I don't want to pay full price for that. So we're going to head to our local thrift and see what we find. This is what we found. Now it's dirty, but it's fixable. So the Beats are just basically a parody of the Beatles. So I'm going to use their second studio album as inspiration for our Beats cover. And like the Beatles, the Beats have 4 members: Monroe, Chat, Wendy, and Flounder. Okay, but here's the problem. Every member has a front-facing image except for Flounder. So now I have to draw what I think Flounder looks like from the front and hope that it comes out halfway up what it's supposed to look like.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so we've got the lineup, we got a logo. Now I just need to size everything for a vinyl cover. Like I said, I've done something like this before, so I'm gonna just eyeball it. Okay, Future Marty here. So in full transparency, a lot of the clips from this video were accidentally deleted, but don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna let you know where we are in the video. So at this point, I put everything on a 20x30 poster and sent it off to be printed, right? I got that poster back. I started cutting everything out. Everything is going smoothly, or so it seemed. All right. So this cover isn't big enough to hold the record. The label is too small and the sticker is way too small. But at this point, we gotta commit. You know what? Black fixes everything. As much as I hate saying this, I'm gonna have to reprint the whole thing. And that's why we measure twice, folks. And this time we're gonna go to Google to get those actual dimensions. All right, everything's lining up. And then this happens. So you know what tape removes? You got it. Paper. What's this made out of? You guessed it. Paper. Also, this thrift sleeve doesn't scream 1991 to me. So I went out and I went to an actual vinyl shop and I found a new sleeve. And you know what? This just feels right. Alright y'all, now here is the final product. I really liked how this turned out. And y'all check out the back. There's a full track list back there. You got I Need More Allowance, Killer Tofu, and a couple other titles I took some liberties with. And honestly, adding this price sticker to it really gave it that realistic look. Now if you got any ideas for any other fictional bands I can do, let me know in the comment section down below. I got a couple myself, but I really want to hear from you. So the Beats, they aren't real. But this is. Now, if you grew up on stuff like this, I've built more. Now, if you want to see the most recent one, click right here. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.